Hello. So I got a request today, actually a few days ago, to do a talkie wave where I'm announcing that, as I'm going to be inducing with pepper, I'm going to be announcing that the pepper's going to make me sneeze, and after I do sneeze, announcing that the pepper made me sneeze. So I've got some right here in a little baggie. It's not the finely ground pepper that I like, but I figure sipping the bag, I'll get a few granules, and it should work just as well. So I'm sorry if I'm saying this wrong. Demosthenes. I hope that you enjoy this, and thank you again for the commission. Okay, here we go. Nothing just yet. Taking a little bit of the pepper dust and coating my nostrils with it. Coating the bottom of my nose. Oh, there it goes. The pepper's gonna. Oh, the pepper made me sneeze. The pepper just tickles so much it made me sneeze. The pepper's going to make me sneeze. Oh, I lost it. Let's try a little bit more. The pepper's gonna make me sneeze. The pepper's gonna make me sneeze. The pepper's gonna. Oh, the pepper made me sneeze. Oh, it tingles so badly each time I sniff in. I think the pepper's gonna make me sneeze. Oh, the pepper made me sneeze. Oh, the pepper made me sneeze so much. It's so itchy and tickly. I think I can get a couple more out. I'm gonna try and hold this one back. I haven't sneezed yet, but it's coming. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, the pepper made me sneeze so much. I need to blow my nose. I guess I might have to see. Oh, I need to blow my nose. Thank you so much for commissioning me again, Demos. And have a good day. Have a wonderful day. Bye.